So India is a unique market with its own challenges and engineering workarounds. We call these workarounds in our local language as jugaad, which means non-conventional solutions. If you think of some of the rear engine, rear wheel drive vehicles, there are only few uh, vehicles which might come to your mind. One of them was the iconic Porsche 911. Uh, and on the other hand, Tata Group from India, which is an Indian OEM, they came up with Tata Nano, which was the world's cheapest conventional vehicle, which also was a rear engine, rear wheel drive, with a base price of 1 lakh rupees or 1250 USD, which is shown in this image. So the reason for the variant in this case, interestingly, was cost reduction. So if they brought the engine in front, they would have to add additional components like drive shaft. More components means more cost, and their main goal here was to reduce cost. So this is one of the example of jugaad that we did to reduce the cost of the vehicle. And fun fact about Nano, it borrowed the engine and gearbox from a superbike, most likely Hayabusa. So this is one of the interesting case studies. Due to competitive environment where many players are coming in, especially in the field of electrifications, most OEMs are in a hurry to launch their vehicle, which can lead to adverse effects at times as shown in the next image. So this image highlights few of the leading two-wheeler OEMs in India uh, with fire incidences recently. According to one of the articles, there are roughly 800 plus electric vehicle startups in India currently, and most of the leading two-wheeler EV vehicles have witnessed such fire incidences. To add to that, lack of charging infrastructure is another big challenge that can be seen in the next image. So in this image, there's a vehicle, electric vehicle, which is charged by a charging point, which is powered by a diesel generator. So this is definitely not the way we are thinking of electrification, hopefully. And it's not surprising to see Elon Musk being amazed at this image. So it's very important to analyze well-to-wheel emissions to make sure EVs are as effective as we desire and not like the one as shown here in the next image. Being a developing nation, there are various other challenges as well to add to the list of challenges we discussed so far. One of the challenges is high traffic density. Now, if you're thinking this is one of the rare scenarios that we witness, it's not. It is one of the common scenarios in India, especially in the urban areas. And this is one of the challenging areas which leads to more prioritization to compact and two-wheeler vehicles in India. Apart from this, other challenges in the form of bad roads and low per capita income adds to the list of challenges that the OEMs need to think about before developing a product. And to add to above all these challenges, uh, government incentives and taxation is another reason why global OEMs are not able to penetrate Indian market as much as they would have wished to, as seen in this image.